Elon Musk just unveiled the Tesla Tiny House 2025, and it's redefining affordable living. Priced at $17,890, this solar-powered, disaster-resistant home packs cutting-edge tech to slash bills, survive extreme weather, and operate entirely on Tesla energy. With a powerwall battery, military-grade materials, and a next-gen solar roof, it challenges traditional housing norms. But how does it actually work? Let's break down the specs, features, and real-world potential of this game-changing innovation. Starting with energy efficiency, the Tesla Tiny House uses the Solar V4 roof system, which achieves 26.4% efficiency, far above the 15 to 18% industry standard. Each square meter generates 203 watts, so a 40 square meter roof produces 9.2 kilowatts at peak performance. Even on cloudy days, it generates 30 to 35 kilowatt-hour daily, easily covering the average tiny home's 20 kilowatt-hour usage. The secret sauce is the 4th-gen Powerwall, storing 20 kilowatt-hours with 99.5% efficiency. It powers high-demand appliances like AC, electric stoves, and EV chargers simultaneously, outperforming competitors like LG's 9.6 kilowatt-hour battery. Over 25 years, this system saves $75,000 to $90,000 in energy costs, even factoring in rising utility rates. During emergencies, it runs for 9 days without sunlight, unlike traditional backup systems that fail after 2 days. Water independence is another breakthrough. The Tesla Flow system purifies rainwater through a 7-stage process, including 0.001 micron filters and UV sterilization, achieving 99.99% purity, better than most bottled water. A 400 square foot roof collects 248 gallons per inch of rain, stored in a 500-gallon underground tank. Gray water recycling hits 98.5% efficiency, cutting monthly water costs to under $5 versus $150 to $200 for traditional homes. Even in droughts, the system sustains a 2-person household for 25 days. Maintenance costs are just $120 yearly, 80% cheaper than standard filtration systems. Durability is where this tiny house shines. Its carbon fiber exoskeleton withstands 156 miles per hour winds Category 4 hurricanes and magnitude 6.5 earthquakes, thanks to a tensile strength double that of steel. AI sensors monitor 128 stress points, redistributing load during storms. Tested at NASA labs, it survived forces 4 times stronger than what destroys conventional homes. The hydraulic foundation adjusts tilt by 15 degrees during quakes or floods, and the aerodynamic design cuts wind resistance by 60% for safer towing. Relocation takes 90 minutes, a feat no traditional home can match. Mobility is seamless. Weighing 12,000 pounds, it's towable by a Tesla Cybertruck or Model X. The AI-driven Tesla Home OS 4.0 optimizes energy, lighting, and climate via 500 control points, learning user habits to slash energy use by 42%. Starlink provides 350 megabits per second internet anywhere, while 12 cameras with facial recognition offer military-grade security. The app responds 5 times faster than Alexa or Google Nest, adjusting settings before you even notice changes. Financially, it's a revolution. At $17,890, it's cheaper than most cars. No mortgages means saving $120,000 in interest over 30 years. Yearly costs plummet, $0 electricity, $5 water, $200 maintenance versus $3,000 plus for traditional homes. Over 20 years, owners save $420,000, enough to retire early. Insurance is 65% cheaper, and the 40-year lifespan beats standard homes needing costly roof/HVAC replacements. For retirees or first-time buyers, it's a wealth-building tool disguised as a home. Environmental impact. Zero emissions, 8 to 10 fewer tons of CO2 yearly, and recycled materials in construction. While smaller than average homes, modular add-ons allow expansion. Zoning issues. Relocate effortlessly to friendly areas. The big question, would you swap your current home for this? Imagine no bills, hurricane-proof safety, and freedom to move anywhere. But it's a lifestyle shift, less space, new routines. For those valuing sustainability, financial freedom, and adventure, it's a no-brainer. For others, the trade-offs might outweigh the benefits. Either way, Tesla's tiny house is more than a home, it's a blueprint for the future. Comment below, could you live in one? Stay tuned as we test this in real-world storms and cities. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest on tech reshaping our lives.